Hi, it's me again with Corel Drill Tips and Tricks, and somebody sent me this clip art, then they're having trouble tracing it, and I've already done it and it traces really well. But the clip art's huge. It's a big file. That says it's only 72 points, but it's 13 or almost 14 by 8 inches tall. So what I would do before I ever trace it would be to reduce it down quite a bit. Make it pretty small. It's a lot easier for Corel to trace and sometimes does a lot better job. But that's not the problem they were having. So let's just walk through it. I'm going to resample it. And since I've reduced it, it's got a really high DPI, dots per inch. So we're good to go. Go to convert to bitmap, black and white. And then go to bitmap trace. And they said they even followed my video and used clip art. And it worked. But what they had deleted here, they had a couple of, we're going to back up here and we're going to do this, and this is what they were getting. Remove background. For some reason, on this particular clip art, I think they had both these checked. They sent me a screenshot of this, and this is exactly what they're getting. So if you uncheck these, you'll get a really clean clip art. And clip arts are normally 99% of the time on top. And I always take a yellow box and do it yellow and then hit it to the back of the page. And your back of the page is under arrange, order, back of page. I actually have a hotkey for Q for back of page. But this is a clean, sharp, can't get any better of a hand plane. It's a really good one to pick. So that was their problem. So if you ever get a blank screen, just do that. Make sure that these are unchecked. Sometimes this is to your advantage. I don't ever delete the original because I might want to try to do it again. But as you can see, the detail is down to 0. And I don't really know what's going on there. I don't know if it's just such a good clip art. But play around with this and see if that doesn't help you next time you have a problem. Because that is a super clean vector file. Let's just take away the fill and look at the outline. I mean, I wouldn't even clean this up a little bit. I mean, you could take your shape tool and, not the smoothing tool, but the shape tool, and you could delete, because this is a straight line, you could delete a couple of these nodes, but it's not going to really matter. And see, I would click on that one, hold down the shift and click on that one and make this into a line, and then that's going to be a perfect line. That's about the only true line that needs to be in there. You could maybe delete these two, but I wouldn't personally mess with it. You've got some really good curvatures, and it looks good. And then you fill that puppy back in with black and take away the outline, and you've got a crisp, clean clip art. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.